I'm Danny.
I'm Patrick.
Welcome to the Petrol Vault. Behind us, we have a barn fresh 1968 Dodge Charger. Here on today's episode at the Petrol Vault, we are going to be bringing some love back to this 1968 Charger that is very barn fresh. It ran when parked about 25, maybe 30 years ago. Supposedly, this car was used to race in the 70s. Maybe it raced for pink slips. I don't know. It's got plenty of stories to tell, and hopefully we can do some digging and find out what some of the history is on this car. As you can tell, it is very original paint. It's got rust, it's got mold, it's got alligator cracks. You name it, this car probably has it growing on it. Just by seeing the windshield, we can actually see some 3D growth on this car. What our plans are, first, hopefully we'd like to get a good detail in on this car, bring it back to life aesthetically, do some vacuuming, kind of bring back some of this interior. As we open up the door, we notice some very, very plush 1970s era Playboy seats. This is stuff that you can't find. Even our door panel, they don't make this car like they used to. It squeaks and queaks and it does a little bit of this and a little bit of that. It does not run though, yet. Hopefully we can change that. As we walk around the car, we notice that it does have some replacement stuff. When guys owned these cars, they kind of did what the classic hot rodders would do. They would DIY stuff at home. We have one original 68 Charger taillight. Our other is a farm fresh, buy it yourself, fix it yourself, done at the racetrack. We probably got some farm caulking in there. Now, my partner in crime here at the Petrol Vault is Patrick, who helps out with some of the other shenanigans motor related. Patrick.
How you doing? I'm Patrick. Yeah, we just dug this out yesterday. Wasn't really an easy process. It actually took us, about 5 hours to get it out.
Yep.
But yeah, as you can see, she has some years on her right now. But I guess the next thing, yeah, like Danny said, was give it a detail and go through it and spruce up the outside a little bit.
Welcome to the Petrol Vault.